What's up, fam? I would just like to say very loudly for those of you in the back, I told you so, okay? Everyone has been doubting me. Everyone's like, Kale, you're so bullish. I literally changed my name to Kale 30K before 15K Abe like a month and a half ago on Twitter. So go follow me on Twitter at Kale Abe. But why did I change my whole entire identity to say that Bitcoin was going to hit 30K before 15K? And why am I going to be correct? I bet you guys are a little bit more, maybe Kale was right. I mean, have you seen the price of Bitcoin lately? Bitcoin rallied from, I don't know, $19,000 to $22,000 over the past few days. And I'm going to be right. It's going to hit 30K before 15K. You're welcome. I told you this months and months and months in advance. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why you guys are all stupid. I'm just kidding. I'm going to talk about how I know Bitcoin is going to 30K before 15K, which coins to buy, and why you should probably sell your Ethereum. Okay, you're probably thinking, what? You should sell Ethereum? Look at this Ethereum chart. Ethereum has been mega bullish. The Ethereum merges in 3 days, Kale. I know, okay? I know. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about why you should sell your Ethereum and buy certain coins. I have 3 coins that I am buying right now instead of Ethereum. So if you're interested in that, I need you to do one thing for me. It's very important. You just have to do this one thing. You have to come to this video.
All right,
and you have to click on this freaking like button. Please, for the love of God. Just click on the like button and then click on share and send this to one of your stupid friends who doesn't understand and keeps saying, oh, the macro is so bad, Kale. Oh, we're going to zero. Oh, the market is headed to zero. So you should probably sell everything. Send this to one of them because they're idiots, okay? There's so many idiots in the world. Let's just talk about, first of all, why did I think that we were going to 30K before 15K, and why is everything happening exactly like I said? Well, Elon Musk finally confirmed. I mean, it's a month later, so that means I'm a month smarter than Elon. That's pretty cool. I'm 1 month smarter. I was 1 month ahead of the smartest guy in the world, really. But he tweeted the other day, September 9th, a major Fed rate hike risks deflation. And now you're probably thinking, Kale, what does this have to do with Bitcoin? I just want to know why Bitcoin goes to 30K. Well, this is the only thing that matters, okay? As you guys know, the reason Bitcoin went from 69K down, let's pull up the daily chart. I just want you to visualize this so you know how important it is, okay? It's very important. The only reason that Bitcoin went, the number one reason that Bitcoin went from all the way up here at $69,000 down to $18,000 is what? Okay, let's all say it together. Help me out with the harmonies. Inflation, 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 inflation. Okay, that is why we nuked. And you're probably thinking, Kale, I thought Bitcoin was an inflation hedge. I thought that Bitcoin, there's only 21 million Bitcoin, so inflation hedge. No. It's the opposite, okay? If inflation goes up, that means the money printer, which is the only thing that matters, money printer, goes down. If you don't know this yet, send this to someone who doesn't understand this concept, because my gosh, it would have saved you a lot of money if you would have sold up here, right? And now it's gonna make you a lot of money if you buy down here because of what I was saying and what Elon Musk is finally saying. He's saying that a major Fed rate hike risks deflation. For those of you who are not that smart, deflation is the opposite of inflation. See? Deflation. So let's go through this, okay? So if deflation is happening, right? But inflation was bad for the price of crypto, maybe the opposite will be good for the It's like I have to explain this to a bunch of gorillas. I've been saying this for months, okay? Literally, look at the date on this tweet. This is August 26th. Okay, we're literally headed towards deflation, not inflation. Complete demand collapse across all markets. This is not bearish for Bitcoin. It means money printer go burr, particularly before this election. Are you serious? They have the data showing that their rate hikes are working. Let's show you another one. I'm just showing you that I'm a genius. I don't know what to tell you, okay? I was predicting all of the events that were going to happen on August 18th, 2022. Jackson Hole, August 25th. This is the only one that I got wrong. I'll talk about this in 2 seconds. PCE inflation data, bullish, inflation down. That's what it was. CPI inflation data on September 13th. I've been calling this for literally a month. It's coming out on Wednesday. Bullish, inflation down. And then the next FOMC meeting, I'm calling for a 50 BPS hike. Okay, here's another one right here, real quick. CPI tomorrow is forecasted at 8.1%. I think there's a good chance we come in sub 8% and markets go absolutely ballistic. So tomorrow at 8:30 a.m., the data is coming out. As you guys know, last month, okay, the data came out on August 10th, and it came in below expectations. And what happened to markets? We went to the moon. Do you want to see them? You want to see this? You want to see this? Okay, I'll show you. Go to the Ethereum chart. Go to the daily chart. Do you see this move right here? Ah, shit. Hold on a second. Do you see this move? I hate trading views sometimes. Okay. Do you see this gigantic move from here? From like, I think it was like, what was it? August 8th, right? Let's pick August 8th. Right here. Okay. Right here. I know it looks small on the screen, but a move. Oh my gosh. I can't move it. From right here, $1,600 ETH all the way to 2,000. 1,600 all the way to 2,000 happened within one day. 1,600 to 2,000 happened in one day after this data came out last time, okay? So if this data comes in below 8% tomorrow, I think we are going to go absolutely to the moon, literally, on a few coins. But Ethereum is not the move. Ethereum is not the move. Let's talk about that now. Real quick, the only thing that I got wrong, though, was this whole freaking Jerome Powell thing. And I really didn't get it wrong. I knew exactly what he was going to say. What I did get wrong was the market's reaction to what he was going to say. So he went up on the stage and he said, oh, inflation's bad. We're going to raise rates. We're going to slow down the money printer. Blah, 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 blah. That's exactly what he said. I expected that because I have a brain. The market doesn't, though. So the market was like, oh, no, he's going to not print the money. Oh, no, oh. And they panicked. So I don't know. I mean, that was really my only move that I got wrong was the market's reaction to Powell. But now everyone's realizing, oh, wait a second. All the data is coming in. Deflation is coming. Deflation is coming. Elon Musk is literally saying that if the Fed keeps turning off the money printer, deflation is coming. And if deflation comes, guys, I'm telling you this right now, that Bitcoin is going to go up because inflation down equals Bitcoin up. So let's talk about which coins to buy. Ethereum is not the move. I sold all of my Ethereum around 1750. I sold it all, okay? And you're probably thinking, Kale, you're crazy. The Ethereum merge is in 3 days. I understand that, okay? But I think the thing that was the kicker for me was Solana today, okay? So I saw the price of Solana. Let me go to the hourly chart to give you guys some more visibility here, okay? Excuse me while I move this chart. Sometimes I hate trading views so much that I could just slap a baby. Does anyone else want to slap a baby sometimes when you're using trading view? Like, look at this thing. Okay, so this was the key for me. I was like, maybe I'll just hold my Ethereum through the merge. Maybe I'll just hold it. Well, here's the deal. There's this thing called rotation, okay? Rotation. A good example of this was last year, right? Last year, when everything was going to the moon, right? When Bitcoin was going crazy, what did we do, right? We took BTC profits, and we rotated them to ETH, right? And then we rotated them to altcoins and NFTs, alts and NFTs. And all of these went absolutely berserk last year, right? You guys remember this? And then obviously they all crashed, but that was the rotation, okay? This is happening again. So what has happened is Ethereum has run up like insanely crazy. Look at this. Ethereum has gone crazy. It went from like at the lows, it literally did a 2x, okay? It was down here at like freaking $900, okay? And now it went all the way up to $1,700, okay? So that's like a 2x. And the reason for this is the merge. We did a 2x, and that was because of merge. Okay, but here's the deal. The merge is in 3 days. And so everyone's a little bit worried that it's going to be sell the news, STN, okay? And honestly, I wasn't too worried about this. I thought, whatever, maybe it dips a little bit, but I think the market is going to be so bullish, particularly with the CPI data that's coming out. The market will be fine because we have the CPI data, which is more important than the sell the news. However, when I woke up and I saw this chart, the Solana chart, I think it confirmed to me that, look at this. I mean, look at this disgusting candle on Solana. Just boom, right? What this confirmed to me is that people are rotating again. So instead of rotating from BTC to ETH, whatever, this way, we're actually rotating backwards, okay? So the rotation this time, all the money is in ETH, right? Everyone has made money here. Everyone. If you haven't made money on the ETH trade, I feel bad for you. You're an idiot. Like, I've told you for months and months and months, buy ETH, buy ETH, buy ETH, buy ETH. How many times do I have to tell you? Like, you're a complete loser, okay? So you haven't made any money on ETH. you're dumb. But if you have made money on ETH like the rest of the planet, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to rotate those ETH profits into Bitcoin. How do I know this is happening? Well, I just look at the chart. It's not that hard to see. The past few weeks, the past few days, boom, Bitcoin's going crazy. The ETH Bitcoin chart, which is a measure of how much is Ethereum worth more or less than Bitcoin, is going straight down and nuking. We're printing all these red dots on the indicator. The indicator is for sale below. You have to get the yearly subscription if you guys want the indicator. It's an amazing indicator. It literally tells you exactly where to sell Ethereum for Bitcoin. Look at this. These dots started to turn red underneath this trend line. See these dots? They started to turn red, and all of a sudden we should have sold all of our Ethereum for Bitcoin. And guess what? That's exactly what I did. So this indicator literally pays for itself. It's linked below. It's amazing. Anyway, what was I saying? Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum, obviously, so the money is going to rotate. Where's my rotation? Where's my rotation notation? My rotation notation. Okay, there it is. Wait, what chart did I write that on? Oh, Solana. Hold on. Sorry. So it's going to rotate from Ethereum to Bitcoin. And clearly, as we see with this giant green dildo here on the Solana chart, it's also going to rotate into Solana. And it's also going to rotate into Matic. Okay, there's other altcoins too, but I think these are probably the safest bets. These are probably the safest bets if you want to make some serious money over the next couple weeks. And that's what we all want, right? Remember, if you actually want to make money over the next couple weeks, smash this like button and share it with someone. Thank you. Okay, Matic, as you can see, outperforming Bitcoin as well. Look at these giant green candles. So when I saw Ethereum negative on the day, right? Ethereum can't do anything. Ethereum is stuck in the mud right here, completely stuck. Bitcoin up, Solana up, right? Matic up. What does that tell you? You have to just use your brain. What are people doing? You have to think about it logically. People are rotating. They are rotating their profits, okay? So over the next weeks, while everyone gets insanely bullish, and they're 3 weeks late, they're a month late. I told you guys all this a month ago. Everyone's going to get bullish. Everyone's going to be calling for 30K. I mean, y'all that were making fun of me saying we're going to 15K, y'all are freaking idiots. We're going to go to 30K. I think over the next week, as long as this data comes in good tomorrow, right? This data is going to come in low tomorrow, sub 8%, I think. I think we're going to go to at least 25K Bitcoin minimum, probably 28, maybe even 30K Bitcoin over the next week or two, which is crazy. We do have the FOMC meeting coming, but if we get 2 events, we're definitely going to 30K. Ready? 2 events. For those of you who stayed till the end of the video, I'm going to stop right now. I'm going to make you smash the like button. Smash the like button and share this with one person. Before I tell you, smash the like button and share that. I'm going to tell you something so important right now. Are you listening to my voice? Okay. I'm just going to make my face big. Okay. Did you smash the like button? Did you smash it? If these 2 things happen, Bitcoin is going to $36,000. Okay. Ready for it? Number 1, CPI data comes in tomorrow, September 13th, below 8%. Okay, if that happens, we're probably going to 25K in 1 hour. Okay, but that's step number 1. That will really help us. Number 2, FOMC meeting at the end of the month. Okay, at the end of this month, FOMC meeting, Jerome Powell. This is the only things that matter in the market. You remember? Okay. If he does 50 BPS instead of 75 BPS, which I've been calling for over a month. Okay, just so if this happens, I'm going to be so annoying on Twitter. You need to follow me here because I've been saying that we're going to do 50 BPS for literally a month on Twitter. So if we do 50 BPS instead of 75 BPS, Bitcoin is going straight to $36,000. Okay, you can book that. You can mark it in your bank. You can take it to the bank. Okay, so there's your prediction for the day. I can predict the future because my boy Elon is a month late. I've been telling you guys this for months. Anyway, I love you guys. If you enjoyed this, share this with someone. I'm going to try to bring you even more value. This has finally, for a while, I was losing confidence in myself. I was thinking, you know what, Kale, maybe you are an idiot. Maybe we are going to 15K because there's so many losers on Twitter and on YouTube and in my comments. No, I know this shit, okay? I may be 3 weeks ahead of everybody. I may be a month ahead of everybody. But I think that's a good thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to use my future projecting capabilities to make some damn money. Okay, so if you're interested in that, join the NFT project, buy the indicator below, do all the shit. But most importantly, get yourself some BTC Soulmatic this week if you want to make some money. I don't know. I like to make money. That's what I'm doing. You do whatever you want to do. All right, I love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.